Hello, in front of me I've got Redmi 12. In this video I'll show you how to set custom ringtone. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now enter sound and vibration. Go to ringtone. Pre-installed ringtones. Plus music, and now select your custom sound. Tap OK, and now you have to apply it from the list. Apply, and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.